This video will show you how to perform the first flight using the remote controller. Make sure the flight environment is open and unobstructed with sufficient light. Remove the gimbal protector. Press the power button once to check the battery level, and make sure there is enough battery power. Unfold the arms. The aircraft will power on automatically. Check the propellers. Place the aircraft on flat ground with the rear facing you. Avoid taking off or landing on sandy or grassy surfaces to prevent small objects such as sand, stones, and weeds from damaging the propellers and gimbal. Toggle the flight mode switch on the remote controller to N mode. Remove the control sticks from the storage slots and mount them on the remote controller. Make sure the smartphone is clamped securely and connected properly to the remote controller. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to power on the remote controller. Run DJI Fly, open System Settings, and tap Safety. Set the RTH height higher than the tallest building or nearby object. Make sure that the GNSS status icon is white. Tap the takeoff icon on the left of the camera view, and then press and hold the takeoff icon in the pop-up window to trigger auto takeoff. After takeoff, the takeoff icon will change to RTH icon. Tap the RTH icon. Then press and hold the land icon in the pop-up window to automatically land the aircraft. Pull both sticks all the way to the bottom of the remote controller, and then push inwards or outwards. Once the motors have started spinning, release both sticks simultaneously and gently push the left control stick up to manually take off. The left stick controls the flight altitude and orientation. The right stick controls the forward, backward, left, and right flight movements. Press the flight pause button on the remote controller to stop the aircraft and make it hover. You can view the flight telemetry such as distance and speed in the app. Keep the remote controller antenna facing the aircraft during flight for optimal transmission. Press the photo-video button once to switch between photo and video modes. Adjust camera parameters in the app. Press the shutter record button on the remote controller to take photos or record videos. Scroll the gimbal dial on the remote controller to adjust the gimbal tilt. Tap the playback icon in the app to view and download your footage. Tap the RTH icon in the app and then tap and hold the RTH icon in the pop-up window, or press and hold the RTH button on the remote controller to initiate RTH. The aircraft will activate RTH and land after reaching the home point. To exit RTH, tap the cancel icon on the left of camera view or press the flight pause button on the remote controller. After exiting RTH, you can regain control of the aircraft. The aircraft will also activate RTH or land in the following situations.